Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn a very cool Chinese AI video generation tool that has just been released. It is used to create fantastic videos and it is completely free of charge and you can generate a limited number of videos. Okay, so all you need is just to go to the description of this video, click on the link and it will bring you over to this platform. Now, it is a Chinese website. Of course, you have to translate, okay? You have to translate everything. So if you are on Google Chrome, you can enable the translation, or if you are on another platform, you can as well enable the translation directly from here. Okay, so you can click on this to enable the translation. Now, once you have translated it, this is what you will see. And then you will be able to come over here. This is the prompting area. This is where you have to prompt and you can ask the AI to surprise me if you're interested in its surprise. It can give you anything and you can get inspired with some of these topics, or you can come down here and see a bunch of different kind of videos that have been created by this particular AI tool. You can see this one. This is an ancient Greek statue standing on a square stone platform suddenly came to life. You can see it's a stone platform suddenly, just like a sculpture, or it suddenly came to life, which is really inspiring and very interesting. You can see this one. This is the scene in something like a presidential or the kingdom. Okay, this is something like the animal kingdom with people around it. So you can see a scene of a dog. This is a dog. You can see the scene of a dog kingdom unfolds in front of you in the center of the kingdom. You can see there are people in the center of the kingdom and these two dogs. When you click, you can see the wonders in it, and it is really a fantastic video that you can actually create. You can create similar things and you can have access to this unlimitedly. So they've created quite a lot. Look at this girl and look at her little pets, and it's a very interesting video. Look at it. A Chinese girl is walking her dog in the garden of the community. So this is really interesting. So it has given some fantastic videos that you can be so proud of and you can use for your content. Depending on how you prompt it, you will definitely enjoy it. Take a look at this skeleton. This is a skeleton wearing a flower hat and sunglasses, dancing in the wild at sunset. So you can see how fantastic also it has created the video. Okay, so this is very fantastic. Now, one of the key things that you should know is I kind of like this one as well. It's a very cool video that has been generated also. It's a video of a little boy in a suit suddenly transforms into a magical girl. Okay, so it just suddenly transformed from a boy into a magical girl. You can see the transformation, the smoothness in the transformation. It's really a cool video that you can create as well. So the first thing that I want to show you is that for you to get a better prompt AI tool, all you need is to go back to ChatGPT. Let me show you what I did. I first prompt ChatGPT that I want to generate 5 text to video prompts that I can use to test the capability of a Chinese AI chatbot called Step Video T2V, okay, AI that has just been released. So it has given me these 5 prompts that I can use, and I've created about 3 videos out of this. Okay, I created an AI robot cooking in a futuristic kitchen, and then a medieval battle scene, and an astronaut exploring an alien planet. Okay, a peaceful Japanese Zen garden. You can see them. Now let me show you the creations that this particular AI tool have created for me in terms of the video. Although the caveat to this is that it takes some time before it generates the video. Now take a look at this first prompt I gave it. It said create a scene of a humanoid AI robot cooking meal in a futuristic kitchen. You can see how it is cooking the meal. Very nice, and it has picked in the atmosphere, the environment. You can see it is cooking in the kitchen, and look at what it is wearing, and look at the kind of veggies it is cutting still while undergoing the cooking. You can see the fire and so on. Everything is very much done. So this is a very fantastic video that had been generated based on that prompt that I got from the first option. So you can download the video also if you're interested from here. You can just click to download very easily and free of charge without anything, no watermark, nothing. Okay, this is the second one of an astronaut walking on an alien planet. Okay, so this is the one based on that prompt that I've just shown you, and you can see it over here. You can see the detail of the astronaut walking, and look at the planet, look at the visibility, look at the clarity in the walking. Okay, everything looks kind of very fantastic and nice. And another prompt that I gave it is this one. This is the Japanese Zen garden. Okay, so we have the serene Japanese Zen garden with a small wooden bridge. You can see it over here over a koi pond. You see, very nice. nicely created. Take a look at how the master is working majestically, and look at the clarity, look at the scene, look at the colorful nature of the flowers or the trees around, and look at the pond. Really fantastic videos that you can create for your content. Very nice. And the last one I gave was this prompt: can you create a video of a lion drinking coffee? And look at it. Take a look at the coffee it is drinking, even though the hands kind of looks like that of a human, and you can see the clarity in the lion's hair and so on. Very clear, and it's really enjoying the coffee. So this is one of the key things that you should know, that this software is really very powerful. All you need is just to log in and then click on the link that we have in the description of this video for you to have access to this website. And once you come here, you can just be prompting it with any kind of prompt that you have, and it is going to help you to generate the video. Okay, so please just go ahead and click the link, try on your own, sign up, and see how you can create. What kind of video creations can you have? What kind of videos can you generate for yourself, for your content creation, and so on. So let me know in the description whether you find this very helpful, or how are you using other AI tools to create videos for your content. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So this concludes this very basic tutorial about the use of this new Chinese AI tool that generates videos from text completely free of charge and unlimited. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.